Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. In this video, we'll be discussing about the project overview of Keshav Tatastu, which is located at Chovisawadi, Chiroli, Pune and is developed by Keshav Group. Also, we'll be discussing about the below points, that is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discounts and many more. Before telling you about the project overview, let me tell you what is Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a 100% guarantee and bottoming down the price rates. Also, unlike other current platforms, whereby if you just put an inquiry, your phone number gets connected with lots of brokers, thereby resulting in lots of calls. Well, Housey is one of such real estate platforms where listing is done directly by the developers. So, book your dream home now with the developers through Housey. Let me start out with the project overview of Keshav Tatastu. It is constructing on 3.5 acres of land consisting of 4 towers and each tower consisting of basement, ground plus 12 floor. 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Here I am at the actual location of the project. You can see here the sales launch of Keshav Tatastu. On the front side, there's a 3.5 acres of land where the project is actually present. Along with that, talking about the surrounding and connectivity. This project is located near Redcliffe School, Charoli, Pune. Talking about the connectivity, Alandi Road is just 1.1 kilometer. Reliance Smart Bazaar is 1.8 kilometer. Alandi bus stand is 3.6 kilometer. What a great connectivity. Now the amenities part. This project has luxurious amenities with likes of senior citizen sit-out area, kids play area, indoor games, clubhouse, jogging tracks and many more. Coming to the carpet area of Keshav Tatastu Charoli project, which has 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. 2 BHK starting from 761 to 792 square feet, 3 BHK starting from 1048, that is 1048 to 1135 square feet. So now we'll discuss about the booking process. Project booking window is open. Client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain each and every detail of the project along with the 3D model. We'll tell you about the pricing and payment schemes too. Also, we'll tell you about the actual location of the project. And if the clients like it, they can move ahead with the booking process. So what are you waiting for? Come, register for free and schedule a site visit soon. Also, this is the entire project overview of Keshav Tatastu, which is located at Chovisawadi, Chiroli, Pune and developed by Keshav Group. Please follow us on www.housey.com. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos. अगर आपने इस एरिया में कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स ऑलरेडी देख लिए हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो let me know in the comment box please. Thank you.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.